Customer came in today, said the car's a little bit too loud because he went ahead and put some high flow test pipes in it, all right? Now on Infinitis, you put test pipes and it gets extremely loud, all right? The only other thing he had in the car was his stock resonators, which wasn't doing him enough justice. So we decided to build him a custom vibrant axle back. We put 2 ultra quiet vibrant resonators in there at 2 1/4, ran the pipes accordingly and put some nice black chrome tips on there for him. It should for sure get him the noise that he's looking for.